Hey Igniting family, and welcome back to our channel. Super excited tonight because I got a massive surprise in the mail.
Yeah, so I went on Troll and Toad, ordered a lot of stuff for her, so it's Arielle's mystery box. I know what's in it, she doesn't, so this should be interesting. There's some stuff we can still open and battle with. I'm gonna use the trusty knife to open her up.
It's a big box.
It's a large one. Alrighty. See? Mm-hmm. Alright. I'll let you reach in and grab something. Ooh, bubble wrap, my favorite.
Okay, so the first item is
Oh Lord.
Pikachu and Eevee Pokeball.
Hey, check that out.
Look at this, guys. Okay, so there's our first. Put it back there. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, there's a bundle.
Huh.
There's a bundle. Okay, you want to use your trusty knife
sorry,
and
trusty knife.
cut it open, and we will dive into this bundle of things.
Hey. Alright. Lord have mercy, child. Okay, there you go. Alright.
Okay, so let's figure out what was in this bundle here, guys. So the first thing I am going to pull up is their Troll and Toad information. And ooh.
Oh, that was for me.
Oh, so this whole box is
No, just that one thing. I liked it.
Let's see what's in this sleeve, guys. I'm gonna be very careful here. So we obviously have a Charizard EX.
That's
Definitely. But let's see what's. Ooh.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and sleeve these up as you go.
Tag Team Pikachu and Zekrom at GX. I do not have this card. I am super excited to add this to my collection. Wow. All right. Bam. I do not have this little Pikachu.
You shouldn't have any of these.
So all of these are for my Pikachu collection?
They are.
Guys, I'm super excited right now. We were just working on my binder earlier today too, getting it all updated and organized. And okay, this is probably my favorite. I love that that print goes all the way up, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a reverse hollow, and a hollow had a baby. And it's this beautiful Pikachu. Okay, that's by far, hands down, my favorite so far, because I have never seen anything like it. Oh, wow. Pika Punch. Love it. Oh, I love this one. It looks like he's reaching out to give me a little high five. High five, dude. And Ash's Pikachu. I love this. I choose you. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it, guys. I absolutely love them.
All right.
They did so good.
So just to recap for Arielle's grouping, she got Ashes. She got little Hollow Peaks, little Love Peaks, the Shiny Peaks, the other Peaks, the Neo Peaks, the Looking at You Peaks, and the Tag Team Peaks.
Those are some phenomenal ads.
Put those back here in the back.
To my Pikachu collection. All right, let's see what else was in here. All right, let's see. Okay, 3 random Pokemon booster packs.
So this is on Troll and Toad. I think it, how much was it? I want to say $10. But it's 3 random packs, and there's chance of older packs, so just taking a shot at it.
And Sun and Moon. Still not not upset about it.
No?
Not. They're packs for us to open, and then let's see.
What else you get?
There's, ooh, an unbroken bond.
Oh, check that out.
Nice. Another unbroken bonds.
You can see why I got two of them, kind of like, you know.
Team up. Oh.
He's a thinking man.
Nice. Okay. So I'll go ahead and I'm gonna take the
Gengar?
No.
And the Mimikyu?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't.
I'll take the Gengar and Mimikyu.
I don't. I want this one.
Okay.
And then I'll take two. I'll take the Crimson Invasion and Burning Shadows, and I'll take these and give you that one.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I get to open more, guys. You know I'm all about it. So.
You want to open this bad boy?
Yes, I do. I do want to open this up.
Here, I'll do a little cutsy with the nasties. Ooh, nice. Okay, go ahead. Tear into her.
I feel like it's Christmas all over again, guys.
You know what? This was pretty cheap on Trolling Toad. So not sponsored by them, just like their website, and I was just putting together a box for her, and just pretty simple process. Got everything I needed. The singles were easy to grab. There's another Pikachu just for you, right there.
Look at that. Okay, first up, I'm gonna take. Obviously, I'm gonna set him aside for just a second, and I'm going to pull back this other here. Look how stinking cute.
It's
adorable. Ooh, can you put it on our blue evolution behind you? I needed a Pikachu on that side. It was kind of off a little, and now, bam! New addition to our collection. All right, so I've got this gorgeous Eevee. It's beautiful. She's not my favorite, however, so I'm just gonna put her down. But this, look at that hollow. That is gorgeous.
I'll sleeve her up for you.
Okay, now that we have that
There you go, right there in the bag.
out of the way.
I'm gonna go and sleeve up Eevee. I don't want Eevee to be lonely, you know? It's not fair,
now
Eevee.
we have this gorgeous Pokeball to open. I'm assuming it just pops. Or is there a button?
It should just separate.
Yeah, I just want to be careful with the packs inside. Oh, you know what? How about you do that? There we go. Okay.
Ooh, that one's nice.
Code card for you guys. Let's see, we've got a Lost Thunder, Lost Thunder, Celestial Storm, Burning Shadows, and Steam Sea.
All right.
All right.
So let's see, you're ahead one pack. So you pick two, I'll take three.
Okay, I'm gonna take this
Lost Thunder.
Lost Thunder. I'll take Celestial Storm.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now it's time to begin. You know the rules. I lose every time.
You do not lose every time.
Lately, it hurts. We'll get through this.
So since I'm winning and you're losing, would you like to start?
I'll begin with the ever faithful, not really, Steam Siege. All right, let's break this. The struggle has begun already. Just cut my fingernails, okay? Don't judge me, it's been a hard week.
It really has been hard.
Okay, Cody Cardi. One Dose Trace. All right, we got a Nuzleaf. Sneasel. A Chew, bless you. Nose Pass. The Thieving Chimchar. Meowth just burning the city down. Versatile Fletching. And a non-hollow rare Spiritomb.
Okay, I'll follow it up with a Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion.
It's all good in the neighborhood. Oh Lord, we're stuck.
We're fine. Code card.
So, we all know how this tends to go. I'd love for y'all to leave in the comments right now. Don't cheat. Like right now, who do you think's gonna win? I already know who I think's gonna win.
Rapunzel and Carrot. So pretty even start.
I'm gonna burn your shadows to the ground. You know how useless of a superpower that'd be? Like, just burning shadows. Like, what are you gonna do to me? I'm gonna burn your shadow. What's that gonna do? Absolutely nothing. He's terrified. Okay, energy. Gonna pour Soul Rock, Baton, Rhyhorn, Tangela, Dewpider, Norbat, Pikachu, Reverse, Hollow Plumeria, and a Hollow Vileplume. Yeah, I'm gonna put you back here because you count as one for me.
I'm gonna follow that up with a Sun and Moon base pack. See what we can pull out of this.
Oh yeah, struggle's real for both of us, eh? The Sun and Moon, we actually tend to do pretty decent with the base for that and Sword and Shield.
Yes, we have gotten some really amazing pulls out of it. Energy, Pinsir, Timer Ball, Carvana, Snubble, Wingull, Lillipup, Cosmog, a reverse hollow Bruxish, and a non-hollow rare Crebdominable.
That Brooks is trying to smile you to death, you know?
We've gotten a lot of that card.
Really have. Really have. I think the Pikachus in the background are gonna ensure my loss.
I mean, so far you've got a hollow and I don't have a hollow, so you're starting off pretty snazzy there.
1, 2, 3, like a birdhouse. You're welcome. Energy. That's my bad. Alright, get that. Baton. Dewpider. Togedemaru. Wimpod. Meowth. Magikarp, Reverse Hollow Lycanroc. And a non-hollow rare Electivire. Wah, wah.
I am going to move on to
The Storm of Celestials.
Celestial Storm.
It'll get you. Lightning Bolt.
Lightning bolt strikes inside the house. We're in trouble. Code
Yeah, you
card.
ain't lying about that.
Energy, Lifer, Skypillar, Dorkle, Whismur, Shuffit, Sneasel, Whismur, Mudkip, a reverse hollow Lycia, not mad about that card, and a non-hollow rare Regirock. So far, you're firmly in the lead.
Well, I wouldn't say firmly, I'd say lightly. Alright, so Lost Thunder with some Celebi action. Oh. Yeah, we all saw it. You know what? It's okay. Code card. See how we do here. Energy.
Oh, that's adorable.
Brion. Trum Beak. Whoa, look at he doing some magical stuff there now. Nincada. Chincho. Mareep is asleep. Marini. Snubble. Reverse hollow. Jigglypuff. And a hollow Jumpluff. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie to you. I thought it was gonna be a little more than just a regular hollow, but we'll take this. We'll take this, okay? I'm 3 packs away from sealing this one down.
I'm gonna go in with Lost Thunder.
Please don't be good.
The package was all. I'm gonna blame it on the packaging.
Blame it on the vine. Oh, wait, vines aren't a thing anymore. Never mind.
Alright. Energy, Dene,
Just adorable.
Heracross, Fairy Charm, Slugma, Pick a Pick, Bruxish.
Oh,
that looks,
God.
That's a
Completely different
oh
impression.
man, yeah.
Oh.
Ooh.
It's terrifying.
Ooh, I don't know if I can get over that one. Ooh, nice. A reverse hollow Cyndaquil and a non-hollow rare.
Wobbuffet. Wobba. Alrighty. We're gonna unbreak these bonds.
so serious.
Then look at it. And look at it.
I'm looking at it.
What's it gonna be? Is that the code card?
It is the code card.
On the right side.
Yep, you want
Okay,
the right
cool.
side.
Add a good thumb more. Energy. Oh, Lord. Oh, I gotta fix that. Tour cat. Fidget spinner. Yeah. Wow.
For a bug.
So, okay.
Charge
so
the
we're
bug.
at Salandit. Cuffing, fiend, Diglett. Zubat. Jigglypuff.
Nice.
Versatile de-evolution spirit. And a non-hollow rare Darmanitan.
Alright, I'm gonna follow up your unbroken bonds with my unbroken bonds and see where it leads us.
Stay strong, San Diego.
Let's see, code card.
I like the artwork in Unbroken Bonds. I think it's pretty.
Let's see.
Oh, I
what
got
can
this in the
do.
bag.
Energy Weeping Bell surprise box. What a fitting trainer for tonight. Torcat, Poliwag, Rhyhorn, Growlithe, Cubone, Riolu, a reverse hollow Growlithe, and a non-hollow rare Kingler. I went from getting so many wins to
It's time to team up.
0.
Alright, so I just want to remind you, you originally picked the Gengar and Mimikyu,
I
right?
did.
And
It
then,
creeped me out a little bit, not gonna lie.
and then you passed it off, right?
I did pass it
So,
off.
let's see if you made the right choice. Andrew, metal goggles. Well, Lord. Okay. Golduck. The Blade. A lowland Geodude made of clay. Oh my Lord, Grimer. You look so surprised. Look at that. Goodness gracious. Pidgey. Bronzer. Puccina. Versatile Blitzel.
A hollow
A hollow Aegis Slash.
Still a good card.
Hey. That's 3 in a row your favorite show, you know?
Alright, we're on last pack. Will I be able to pull anything tonight? Or will I be in a losing streak where you just came out of? Let's find out. Woo!
Lord.
Code card.
Code.
Alright. Energy. Pokemon Communication. Hitmonlee. Weedle. Kyle. Execute. Ferroseed. Meow. A reverse hollow Persian. And I have lost. I did not bring home the win. Ryan has firmly taken the lead, but did I really lose with all my new Pikachus for my new collection?
There you go.
I mean, I'm gonna say that I still came out the winner tonight, guys.
Well, I hope you like this. I know it wasn't any crazy pulls, but it was just fun to do this, you know, kind of surprise her and see what her thoughts would be, but it was cool using Trolling Toad to get all these singles. They were really cheap. I didn't pay much for almost any of it. Check it out if you're looking for singles. They all look like they're in really good condition as well, so that made me happy. But just remember, guys, we really appreciate y'all coming and checking this out with us. If you made it this far, awesome. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you want to see. And don't forget, make tomorrow better than today. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.